This is the Shell. If you notice, this is actually it's like a home washroom. You got a sink, a pier, and you got a toilet. And actually, this is a washroom of a Shell gas station. That's a Shell gas station outside. You see them on the YouTubes. That's the people that have been here. It's like a house. It's got a little sink here. It's got a pee hole. So you pee. You come over here. And here we have the toilet. So we got a toilet. You got a box here. You can read. You know, you read a book while you're sitting. You know, thinking what you want to do. So this is actually a washroom here, a toilet here in Tagbilaran, Bohol, Philippines. So it's amazing. First time I've ever seen a public washroom on the gas station, just like home. You see it right here. Amazing. Only in the Philippines. Shell gas station. Tagbilaran. Very nice. Very it's got a lot of antiques display, baskets. You name it. See, picture frames. Lots of them. Books to read when you're sitting out on the toilet. Hats there, and wow, it's amazing. Amazing to see a washroom like that here. I think the world should be following this. Ciao. Peace.